Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at how we can sign and invite other people to sign documents with the Sunet eduSign service. So let's take a look. This is the landing page of the eduSign service and I want to log in with my eduID. I've done so before so it remembers me, so I only need to input my password and then I'm logged into the service. So the first thing I want to do is upload a document to the service. And when I actually upload what we call a personal document to the service, it's actually stored locally in my browser storage, which means that if I log in on another computer or even in another browser, this particular document that I've just uploaded will not be visible. However, to move on with this process, I need to preview and approve the document that I've uploaded. And this is to ensure that it's actually the right document that I want to process. And you can see here that it's only one page so far. I approve the document and now it's ready for me to sign it. In the other options, I can do other things like invite others people to sign it. I can create a template from this document. I can preview the document, but I don't want to do that now. Instead, I want to sign the selected documents, which I press the button in the lower left. And I'm again redirected to my identity provider to ensure that it's actually me who is signing this document. So I log into the identity provider and then the document is sent for signature to the Sunet Sign service and then sent back to me. So it's again stored in my local browser storage. Now I can see that it's signed by me, Stefan Lidström. Again, I can do a few things. I can invite other people to sign it, or I can preview it, which I will do now. And you can see that there is now 2 pages to this document. So the eduSign service has added a page at the end of the document where you can see the graphical representation of the signatures. And here you can see the name of the person that signed it, the time, and which identity provider, in this case me, I used to sign this document. So this page sort of adds up signatures the more people that sign it. But this is just the graphical representation of the signature. The, so to say, real signature is the graphical, the cryptographical information that is added to the document. But I will show how you can check that in a separate video. So I close this preview and I can download the signed document if I want to, but right now I just want to remove it to show you the next thing, which is inviting other people to sign. Pretty much do the same procedure. I upload a document, I preview and approve it to make sure that it's the right document that is being processed. Instead of signing it, I now choose to invite other people to sign it. So I'm gonna ask myself to sign this, which makes it easier. I can send a message, please sign. I can choose if I want eduSign to send this signed document in an email, which means that when this process is done, the service will send a copy of the signed document to all people invited to sign. Maybe if this is sensitive information, maybe I don't want to do that, so I can uncheck this checkbox, but in this case it doesn't really matter. I can invite more people to sign. However, in this case I only want to invite one person. So I invite myself to sign this document. And the document now changed type to documents you have invited others to sign, which means that now the document is actually, during the time this process is running until everyone has answered the invitation, the document is temporarily stored on a Sunet server. And you can see that it's waiting for signatures. If I would maybe have sent this invitation to the wrong person, or I want to add more people, I can choose to edit the invitations. Again, here I can add more people. I can change the email address if it was wrong. I sent it to the wrong person maybe. I can even remove everyone that I have invited, but I don't want to do that now. So I press cancel and we're back. So as I have invited myself, I want to show you how it looks when the document has been signed. But I'm doing that in another browser, so you don't really see what I'm doing at the moment. But I'm logging in as the account that I invited to sign this document. And I signed this document from a second browser. And once that is done, you can see that the status of this document changed from waiting to signed by me. Again, you can preview this. You can see that the signature page has been added. And to finalize this process, I have to choose now, do I want to sign this document as well, or do I want to skip signing? In many cases, maybe I just want to invite someone else or some other people to sign a document, but I'm not necessarily the one signing it. So I just press skip signature in this instance, and the process is done. So now again, the document has been downloaded to my local browser storage, and I can download it, distribute it to the people that signed, if that's needed or not. I can even start the process again, inviting more people. But for now, I'm done with this document. So that's all for this video, and there will be more videos with other features. So stay tuned and goodbye.